Hello class 10th. Today I am going to review these two books, class 10th NCERT Exemplar, Mathematics and Science by MTG Publication, Problems and Solutions, fully solved and error free. So this is very important book for your term first and term second examinations, as there will be MCQs in term first and subjective type questions in term second. So it covers both the topics, and this content is published by NCERT, but this is private publication as it has problems and solutions. So let's review this. Now let's start with science. So NCERT example, its price is 150, but I will give you the best buy link in description box, from which you can buy at discount price. For your kind information, there will be no new and no old edition, so you can use any of them. Now contents. There are 16 chapters, out of which some chapters have been deleted. Okay, so you can check out the CBSE syllabus on CBSE's website. So let's start with chapter 1, chemical reactions and equations. This chapter is from chemistry. Okay, so first is MCQs, multiple choice questions. So there are many questions that you can see. So it has 6 questions from now, and there are total 18 MCQs. That's enough for you. Okay, and these are very important, as this is NCERT example, and you know the importance of example. Do YouTube or do Google, then you will definitely know. So next is short answer type questions. It starts from 19 to 38. Then long answer questions. So here are the contents. So there are 16 chapters in total, but CBSE have removed some chapters, so you can check out on their website. Now let's start with chapter 1, chemical reactions and equations. So firstly we have MCQs, multiple choice questions. This is very important for your term first. So in term first you have to focus more on these MCQs, as there will be only MCQs, you know very well. Then we have short answer type questions from 19 to 38. Then we have long answer type questions from 39 to 44. Now this chapter has been finished, and we have hints and solutions. So this is the best part of this book, that answers and hints have been given separately. So if any student was not able to find the solution to solve the question, then he can move further and find their solutions. So this is the best part. That's why I like this book, this publication. Then we have acid, base and salts. The same pattern going on, as you can see. Now let's move. Then this is carbon and its compounds. Let's move to biology. Okay, chapter 6, life processes. MCQs. So there are 35 MCQs in this chapter, and these MCQs are very important. If you do not know the importance of this book, then do research something on YouTube and Google. This is very important. Do not ignore this book, as there will be MCQs in term first, so you have to focus more and more on this book. Then we have chapter 12, electricity. MCQs, 18 MCQs. Then short answer type questions. Then the same pattern going on. So now let's review mathematics. Here's a preface, and its price is 175, as you can see. But check description to get discount of this book. So we have contents. So there are 13 chapters, out of which some topics have been deleted. So check out website of CBSE now. So we have firstly exercise 1.1. There are 10 MCQs. Then exercise 1.2. So there are 10 questions. Then exercise 1.3. There are 14 questions. So exercise 1.3, there are total 14 questions. Then exercise 1.4. So Euclid division may be deleted this year now. Check out website. Then hints and solutions. The best part of this book again. answers separately. In Arihant's publication, the answers are not separate. Then we have chapter 2, polynomials, the same pattern going on. Then their solutions, then move to another chapter. So here is our chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. So there are first 3 MCQs. So there are total 18 MCQs, then exercise 5.2. There are 8 questions, then exercise 5.3. So there are 35 questions. This chapter is very important for examination, so do not neglect this chapter. I like the solutions. So if you want to buy NCERT Exemplar, then I will highly recommend this book, NCERT Exemplar by MTG Publication. It's better than any other publication like Oswald, Arihant, so buy this book. That's all for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then you can like this video, and if you want more content like this, more reviews, more strategies related to class 10, then you can subscribe to this channel. See you again in next video.